Hello and welcome to the channel. This is an unboxing and test of this portable air pump. This is from Amazon. There are loads of different versions of this on Amazon and I will leave you a link in the description. As always, please do please do subscribe to the channel. It really does help me out so much. This is version 16 of this portable air pump, as you can see from the instructions. And in this box, there are a variety of different fittings for basketballs and footballs, inflatables, a Presta valve, and also you can see there is a standard Schrader valve fitting. This is charged by a USB-C, so it comes supplied with a USB-A to USB-C charging cable, and there is some protective film on the actual device itself. So the valve can screw and unscrew from the air pump, and the device is switched on by pressing the center button. You can adjust how much air you want by using the left and right buttons to set the maximum inflation. The up button turns the light on and off. It toggles between off, flashing and on. And the down button toggles between the different types of element that you want to inflate. You can't really see that very well here, but a close-up: car, moped, bike, basketball and inflatable are the settings between PSI and bar. Let's try this out on an e-scooter. I want to inflate this tyre to 55 PSI, so I'm just setting the upper limit there. And in real time and in just 15 seconds it inflates from 34 PSI to 55 PSI. And then the device stops when it reaches the maximum inflation. Similarly here, a couple of minutes to inflate from 37.5 to 42 PSI. On a car tyre. I've sped this up by 4 times. This device charges with a 5-volt input, and it'll take about 3 to 5 hours to fully charge. Yeah, I've seen a few of these around. I've really wanted one of these pumps for a while, so really pleased to get one, and hope you find this video useful. If you do like this content, please do subscribe.